Alright, so I'm not doing too bad. These are my leftover parts. These three here I purposely left out. This one's an extra. I bought two of these, replaced one, so that's why that one's extra. This one I know goes here in this hole, but for some reason it's dark out and I can't get it to fit. So that's where that one goes. This one, I have no idea. No idea at all what this one's for. I know this screws into the frame. I know it's a 10mm, but I have no idea. That's the true, real one left out. That's the one. These two things, the fairings, I didn't put on. No. The flash, okay. Shit. It's not gonna let me turn the flash back on.